Good evening, friends. I'm Sharmila Jajodia, Associate Professor in Department of English in Ram Niranjan Jhunjhunwala College, affiliated to University of Mumbai. I have developed an online course on literary criticism for you so that you can learn from anywhere, anytime. Let us try to know what is this course about. Literary criticism is an exercise in judgment. It means you give your judgment on various literary texts like novel, short story, drama, autobiography, biography, and many other forms of literature. To understand what is literary criticism, we must know the basic literary and critical terms and figures of speech, etc. So, this course has been divided into 4 units, keeping in mind all those aspects which are needed to have a basic understanding of literary criticism. Therefore, the first unit talks about various critical terms such as simile, symbol, myth, paradox, ambiguity, and imagery. Besides, I have provided you material in the form of Microsoft Word, PDF, and various types of games, quizzes, so that you can learn in a fun way what literary criticism is all about. Second unit talks about nature and function of literature, which gives you idea what is literature, how it's different from various other books of knowledge, and what are the characteristics of literature which makes it different from other branches of learning such as science, sociology, political science, commerce, mathematics, biology, psychology, etc. You will also learn how literature plays an important role in our lives under functions of literature. Then we come to know what the literary persons do when they create or compose a literary text. I mean, the creator, the literary writer, what role they play in our lives when they produce various types of literary text. The role of imitation and imagination, emotion, which contribute to composition of a literary text, will be also understood by you under the topics Plato-Aristotle debate, theory of imitation, theory of imagination, and role of writer's personality. The third chapter talks about nature and function of criticism, which gives you idea what is literary criticism, what role a literary critic play in understanding the text. I mean, a literary critic helps the general reader to understand the text. Next unit is very different, which is known as scansion. For this unit, you need to practice a lot like you do in mathematics to solve the problems. So I have given you various kind of material to understand all these topics, which are available in the form of PPT, PDF, videos, audios, etc. I have also given you practice exercise, learning by doing, learning by dialogue, learning extension trajectories, and learning by experience. so that you can have an overall experience of learning literary criticism online. At the end of the course, a final exam has been given, which will help you to assess yourself how much you have learned from this course. So let us learn online the topic, or you can say the subject literary criticism, by helping each other and learning from each other. Thank you, everyone.